G'day, this is Taj from Wade Phyllis Kia Ranella doing the video on the 2016 Kia Carnival Diesel in fantastic condition. It's been well looked after. It has aftermarket alloys, plenty of life left on the tires. Just moving around the car. Freshly detailed, comes with the Carnival mats. Go into your service history, just there, and then serviced. Where we at? Yep. So full service history. Awesome. Probably over serviced, but no, that's all good. And then we've done our service and safety sticker on there as well. As you can see, the interior's been well looked after. So these seats can come out as well if you wanted to maneuver it for the back rows. Again, with the carpet mats in there as well. Comes with the roof racks, which may come in handy. And fitted with the tow bar as well. Has your back seats. There's the tow bar tongue. Very easy if you want to put the seats up, just like so. And that pulls up. Plenty of room there in the back. Awesome people mover here. Has your reversing camera and reversing sensors. Again, looking at the alloys. Alloys are in good nick. Plenty of life left on the tires. Something like that there we can touch up for sure. Just going through the back. Hood lining's been well looked after. USB there in the back for the technology. Has 2 keys. Just go in here and turn it on. Very nice. Has your reversing camera just there. All your connections, Bluetooth, cruise control, 119,493 Ks. Very nice. Continue on around the car. Again, alloys are in good nick. Well, once again, this is Taj from Wade Phyllis Kia Ranella on the 2016 Kia Carnival Diesel. Thank you very much. Chat to you soon.